Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off your iCloud backup with a mobile data on your iPhone. So, what you wanna do is to go to the settings, then go to the mobile service as it is here. Just click on this one and then swipe down a little bit to find the iCloud backup. So, if you turn this feature on, this is going to use your mobile network to automatically back up your iCloud, and this obviously going to use your data plan, mobile data plan of your provider. But this means that you're going to have an iCloud backup all the time when you're using your iPhone. So even if you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, this is going to back up your iPhone to the iCloud if you have the backup on, obviously. So this is going to work anytime if you leave this feature on. So this is now turned on and now turned off. So I'm going to leave it turned off because for me the Wi-Fi connection is okay, but as you can see, this is how you can turn it on even with the mobile data package. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.